Myself Raj, welcome to Raj Code Academy. In the series of Java interview programs, let's go with one more new program in this video. That is to find, the program is to find biggest of given three numbers using conditional operator. Using what here? Conditional operator. So what is conditional operator? Ternary operator, that is question mark. Using conditional operator, that is question mark. Okay. Now let us write this code now. This is important during interview times. They'll ask you the question to find biggest of given three numbers without using if statement. So when they ask without using if statement means we can make use of another more option, that is conditional operator question mark. Now let us write this code. Open Eclipse. Create a new class in our project. Big3 conditional with main method inside. Now the purpose of this program is to find biggest of given three numbers using conditional operator, which is question mark. Now to accept the user input, we create object of scanner. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Connect to keyboard system.in. Then import the package for scanner. Keep mouse pointer on this error and you can see import. The respective import will happen automatically. Then go with the message to the user. System.out.println. Enter three numbers. We'll say int n1 equal to s dot next int, int n2 equal to s dot next int, int n3 equal to s dot next int. Now when can we say n1 is big? When n1 is greater than n2 as well as n3, then we say n1 is big. Now right here int big equal to, check the condition, if n1 greater than n2 and logical and n1 greater than n3. If both the conditions are true, then n1 is big, then store that n1 into big. How to store? Here go with the question mark, say n1, meaning if this condition is true, it will come to this n1, stores that n1 value into big. Else, meaning if the condition is false. How to go with false condition? Colon symbol. If this is false, means n1 is not big. Now we are left out with n2 and n3 only. Now just to compare here, n2 greater than n3. If n2 greater than n3, again question mark, store the value of n2 into big. Else, if first condition is false, second is also false, then we are left out with only n3. So directly we can say n3 as big. Let me recap. If first condition n1 greater than n2 and even n1 greater than n3, if this is true, n1 value will come and store into big. If first condition is false, comes to else part and checks one more condition. If n2 greater than n3, then if this condition is true, n2 will come and store into big. Even this is also false, then directly without comparing, we can say n3 as big. N3 value is store it into big. Now display the value of big here. System.out.println big equal to the value of big here. Now, save this file. Right click and say run as Java application. Go with any three numbers. It's going to pull out the biggest value. In this case, second is big. Now let us run the code again. If you take 18, 16 and 14, then it's going to take first number as big. Now if you run the code again, if you say 12, 16 and 18, it's going to take that number as big here. So very important, if they ask you the question, write a program to find the biggest of given three numbers without using if statement. So when they ask you without using if statement means we can make use of conditional operator, that is question mark. That's about in this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.